Welcome back to Timo's Dinky Detailing. Today again is a redirect showing one of my old videos, which I will be publishing on my new channel, which is Timo's Dinky and Diecast. This video is just to direct you to my new channel. The old channel I'm going to be phasing out and reposting all of my videos on the old channel, this one you're watching now. So please go, the link is on the screen above you. And at the end, there's also a link below that you can go directly to this video. And when you get there, please remember to subscribe to Timo's Dinky and Diecast. And so you will get all of my new videos as they come out. And you can then unsubscribe from Timo's Dinky Detailing. There will be no videos but ones like this from here on in. I'll see you soon on the other side. Till then, be seeing you.